Senate Minority Leader Coco Pimentel believes the Senate can start impeachment proceedings against Vice President Sara Duterte as early as March. At the Kapihan sa Senado forum on Thursday, February 20, Pimentel says Senate President Chis Escudero himself is prepared for the trial. He also knows that the rules have already been reviewed. Asked when the impeachment trial should start, Pimentel says,
March na, kasi medyo prepared naman si SP na, pinareview na niya rules, so madali naman yung pagka the court is now in session, mag-oath kami, we reaffirm the existing rules para lang wala ng issue na kung valid siya o hindi. Kung may proposed amendments, kilusan na namin. And then padala na ng i-authorize na namin ng Senate President to send summons to the impeached official para umandar na yung 10 days. Sayang din yun.
While Pimentel insists that the trial should start by March, he also says that his use of the word trial was a bit broad.
When I use the word trial lang, medyo generic yung paggamit ko ng trial. Ibig sabihin the entire process. Hindi pa siguro mauupo yung witness sa witness stand. Basta isa na yung trial. In the sense na pasagutin mo na si impeached official, pasagutin mo tapos ipa-respond mo si prosecutors.
Pimentel is likewise appealing to Escudero to call for an all-senators caucus and finally decide on the timeline of the impeachment proceedings. Asked if he is also planning to talk to other senators, Pimentel answers in the negative. He notes that he doesn't want to make it appear that he's trying to sway his colleagues to his position.
Ang maganda sigurong gawin ng Senate President, magpatawag na po siya ng kahit caucus man lamang. Caucus muna. Caucus muna. Then, pakinggan nila ako. Ngayon kung talagang ayaw nila, aminin namin sa taong bayan na ayaw nila. Ganun siguro kasi. Because if this is really a political question, then therefore it is a legitimate political issue, di ba? For the people.
Earlier, Escudero said the Senate is already preparing for the impeachment trial, but it will not start until sessions resume. He previously said the impeachment trial against Duterte may only start in July after President Bongbong Marcos's fourth State of the Nation address.